Hey friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look in this video. Top 10 unique and profitable pet business ideas. The pet business is growing quickly around the world. Individuals are purchasing more pets these days and spending a great deal of cash on them to give a definitive solace. The disposition and conclusion behind this are most of the populace currently believes their pet to be a member of the family. As per the market study, freshwater fish, felines, canines, birds, reptiles, ponies and saltwater fishes are the most famous pet worldwide. As per a market research shows that 81% of respondents are spending similar sum or more on their pets in spite of the intense tough times. Pet business has gigantic market in the business field. There is something like 1 pet in 3 out of 6 houses in around the world. Subsequently, this sets out great many business open doors for business visionaries. The pet owners allocate a lot money for pet products and services to their own pets. So any individual passionate about pet creatures can start a pet related business. Here in this video, we list down the top 10 unique and profitable pet business ideas one can start with limited investment. 1. Pet supply store business. Pet supply store is a profitable pet business idea. A pet supply store consists of pet foods, clothing, collars, and all of the matters associated with the pets. And additionally offers some related to the pets. Therefore, pet owners should purchase needed gadgets from one place. Either you may begin this business with a franchise or start your own. 2. Pet food manufacturing business. Most of the pet owners search nutritious foods for their pets. Not only that, they consider the quality and price of the foods. Therefore, there is a huge demand for animal foods makers. Then you can start that kind of business. You can sell them directly to the customers or markets or pet food companies. And also you can start an online site for your pet foods. And also you can start in a home-based pet supply business. 3. Pet photographer. If you are a professional photographer, and you love to take photographs of pets, then make it as a business idea. It makes you happy and good earning path. The dogs, cats, reptiles, horses, birds and fish owners prefer to make a photo shoot of them. So, you can start a pet photographer business and run successful. Also, you can operate this business in full-time or part-time basis. Further, you can make a online marketing for your pet photography business. 4. Pets toy making. Most of the pets prefer to play with toys. Therefore, pet owners willing to buy totally different types of pet toys. So, it's an honest opportunity for you to begin animal toy making business. Also, designing, producing and wholesaling pet toys may put you on the path to financial freedom, and this opportunity can start part-time from home on a minimal initial investment. The toys can be sold out on a wholesale basis to pet retailers, or maybe directly to shoppers through the internet and mail order. 5. Pet house making. There is a great demand for pets house and pet beds. Especially dog and cat owners buy large beds, pillows, playhouses for them, so you can make them and sell them directly to pet owners or pet markets. Also, you can doing business in cages from your home. Knowledge and experience are the basic requirements for start this business. In today, pet owners search for attractive cages with effective interiors for their pets. 6. Pet clothes making. Currently the pet clothes are very popular in global. And the pet clothes demand is high in cold climatic zones. Further, most of the pet owners spend a lot of money on pet clothing accessories. The most dog owners search for doggy hats, goggles, shirts, booties, scarves in the pet market. So, this is one of the best pet business ideas for you. Further, you can start the pet clothing manufacturing business from home. And very low capital investment is required to start this pet clothes business. 7. Aquarium maintenance. In the aquarium maintenance business, the primary business is cleaning and maintaining your customer's aquarium. It is a wonderful business for anyone. In this business you can selling allied products like food, colors, decor items will give you an extra margin. And also, you can also sell tropical fishes with this business. Further, make business tie-ups with interior designers for your business growing. 8. Pet blogger. This is the beneficial pet business idea for anyone. And further, it is a worthwhile pet related business that offers you online pet business openings. On the off chance that you love to impart photos and your experiences to others, you can make a blog. You can help other pet proprietors by giving uncommon tips. Moreover, other than counseling, you can earn through selling items from your blog. 9. Pet body care products making. Consider beginning the making of pet shampoos and body care items. This is another flourishing and beneficial pet-related business for you. Pet proprietors who genuinely love their pets go to buy any item that will assist them with dealing with their pet. So on the off chance that you are looking towards beginning a pet-related business, one of your alternatives is to go into the creation of pet shampoos and body care items. It is a cool method of bringing in cash from the pet-related business. 10. Pet collar designer. If you want to starting a pet accessories business, then you can design pet collars or leashes with different colors and new designs. And also, you can sell them in online market. Apart from that, you can sell them to pet market directly. Most of the pet collars are for dogs and cats. Therefore, this is a lucrative business idea for you if you want to start a pet businesses. We hope in this top 10 unique and profitable pet business video will help you in initiating your own business. If you like in this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, friends. For more business ideas, find in our channel video playlist and subscribe to New Business Ideas.